Hey, Jonathan here at Topsaw. Exciting day today. These new measurement toolbox cards are now available. I teach both high school math and woodshop, and I designed these cards to build fluency in fractional numbers. So there are 3 suits of a 16th, and you can see that there's a graphical representation of 3/8, the non-reduced fraction, the decimal equivalent, the height of the box tells you what the denominator is, so you could tell this is going to be an 1/8, and then the width of the box tells you the numerator. Any card game you could play with a regular set of cards, you could play with these measurement toolbox cards, and they're now available online. Let's take a little closer look at these fractional cards. They are fractional measurements to the 16th of an inch. It is the #1 skill you need to be successful in a trade, in a shop, in a manufacturing facility. Fractional measurement accurately is really one of the most important skills. So that's what these cards do. They build fractional fluency. How they work, the height of the box tells you the denominator, so I could tell this is going to be an 1/8. And then the width of the box, I'm 6 lines over, that's why it's 6/16, reduced to 3/8, or the decimal equivalent of 0.375. Any game you could play with regular cards, you could play with these. A good game to get started is Go Fish. Let's say I have a 3/8. I'm not looking for pairs. I'm looking for 2 cards that add to 1. So I ask for 5/8. I get that 5/8. That's a pair. I put them down. Slapjack is another great game where I can play with as many people as I want. I turn cards over. 2 cards in a row that add up to 1. Whoever slaps it first gets to keep those cards. And then whoever has the most cards at the end wins. I could play gin rummy with these cards. Rather than have a run of 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, I could just have 3 cards that add up to 1, or whatever rules you want to play with. These measurement toolbox cards are designed that you can be fluent in fractional measurement for success on the job site, in any trade, in a manufacturing facility, in the shop, in the classroom. Fractional fluency is essential to success in your chosen path. You get these cards at measurementtoolbox.com.